Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 60 by 60 centimetre or 24 by 24 inch square canvas, and I've put some charcoal colour paint on there. I'm going to do a swipe, and I have several pieces of card here, different widths and what have you, and I thought I would see what I can do. Now, I've got cyan blue, lemon yellow, orange, bright red and gold. Now in the red and the yellow I've put some silicone, and in the gold, which I am thinking I will swipe with, I've put some isopropyl. Let me get that. This isopropyl, it is, I say it wrong every time, but anyway, isopropyl, and it's an alcohol. And I think this one is about 91 or 97%. Certainly not for drinking. Not even if you're a little bit brave. It's poisonous. Alright, so putting on of the paints. Now I don't know which way I want to swipe this just yet, so I'm just going to put my paints on and have a little think. It's quite a large canvas, so stretching out over the paints. There's that. Might as well scrape them out while I can. Right, waste not, want not. Right, that's the blue. Then I think I might put some yellow. Nice and bright, this lemon yellow. When you first start off tipping these paints out of your cups, regardless of what type you use, the first row is always the thicker, and then as you run out of paint it becomes thinner. So what I'm doing here, I started the blue up this end, I started the yellow down here, just to try and even it up a bit. So some orange, I think. We can go in a little bit here, get some of these spaces that have been missed. They'll be covered up shortly anyway, but just looking very pretty already. In you go. Nice to the orange. Give him a little scrape out as well. Now some red. Do I want any more grey on there? I don't know. Maybe just a little. Like that. Might get something out of that. Not with that. So might just put some gold across. And have a little piece of my cardboard. Squiggling through. Whoa. Nice. Turning out very pretty. Very nice indeed. Okay, so missed a bit there. It's okay. He's done. Now come around this side. And will I wiggle or waggle? No. Just do it so slightly. Quite fancy that. But it's very dark this end. I don't know what happened there. So I'm just going to put a bit more gold here. Since I do have some left. And then run it up. See if that'll lighten it. Yes, it has. So now, you can go on there. Oops, sorry, kicking you around. It's all done. Now what I'm going to do is just give it a little tilt. Back the other way. Because waiting for the tilt. I'm really pleased with this. Taking its time, but it is working. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below, show more underneath this video. Along with a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us there. Let's see if this helps it to move a bit better. Oh goodness, heavy as. And I'll put my arm in it. Right there, so I'm going to dribble some colours down over where I put my arm. Actually they look quite nice coming down as secondaries. Just leaving them to do their thing a little bit. Trying to see if I could get a piece of the lighter paint here. Here's a bit of red. Well, that's just about down, I think, as far as it wants to go. And I'm really, really loving it. And you come down here, and now that I have paint all over me, just doing a bit on the corners and what have you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go rinse my hands off and then come back and give this a little torch. See what magic we have. Well, that was a bit unique. Paint right up to my elbow. Okay, I'm really liking this one. The colours are beautiful. Oh, when it's dry, that gold is going to be magic. Right, you go in there, and I'm just going to get the torch. Quite a few air bubbles in there. Yes, very, very pretty. Very pretty indeed. Alright, so I'm going to bring you down to have a look and see what you think of it. And so that's what I've been looking at. It's quite a large canvas. And we have the blue and the red have sort of made bits of purple here and there, which is rather nice. The yellow finally hasn't sneaked off, but it has mingled a bit with the orange, so it's become a lot darker than what it was. Up here you'll see a little bit of the true yellow that I put in. That's nice, just to see a little bit of it here and there. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. Please give this one the thumbs up. I do hope you've enjoyed it. It's a very pretty painting. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.